In this video, I'll show you how to send a personalized text message in ClientBranch. Texting lives in the Conversations area, so let's open it from the main menu on the left. Click New Message to start a fresh conversation. Switch the channel from email to SMS. Choose the contact you want to text. Their mobile number is already on file. Now write your message. To personalize it, open Merge field. Insert first name, and ClientBranch swaps in each contact's real name automatically when the text is sent. Add a friendly emoji from the picker. And it drops straight into your message, next to the name. Everything's ready, so hit Send Text. And there it is. Your message appears right here in the conversation, with the first name filled in, threaded against the contact. And texting is fully two-way. A couple more things worth knowing. Save any message with Save as Template, then reuse your best texts, like reminders or directions, in a single click. You can also attach an image to send it as a picture message, and ClientBranch automatically creates a direct link to that image. And look, Natalie has already texted back, and her reply lands right here in the same thread. Every message is also logged on the contact's own record. So you always have the full history of every conversation in one place. That's two-way texting in ClientBranch.